Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to install Google Chrome web browser on Microsoft Surface 8th generation laptop. First, make sure you have internet connection and open the pre-installed Microsoft Edge browser. Go to any search engine of your preference. I'll use Google as it's the easiest way to find Chrome. Search for Chrome browser and find it on the official google.com Chrome website. Open the website, scroll down and click the giant button in the middle of the page. Then run the setup file and click Yes. Close your browser and wait until Chrome is downloaded and installed. Once installed, decide whether to sign into your Google account or stay signed out. If you want to set Chrome as your default browser, click the respective icon at the bottom or skip this step. Now you're ready to start using your new Google Chrome browser. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment below. See you in the next one.